Paano mo naman nabago yung takbo ng buhay mo?
Parang bata pa ako, I always feel like I know I could do something. Pero hindi ako talented, mahiyain ako. Di lang halata siguro, pero mahiyain talaga ako that time. At the point na kapag kumakain ako, tapos pinansin mo ako kumakain, iiyak ako. Kasi hindi ko kayang sabihin na, huwag mo pansin kakain ako. Parang, I'm very shy talaga. Pero deep inside me, I can really feel that I know I could do something good. It's not about the money, but I know I could do something different. I could contribute something. Parang, bata pa ako, I have that sense of purpose why I'm living and what I needed to do. And for me, it's my responsibility to myself to succeed kasi alam ko kaya ko eh. So if I know kaya ko, dapat ko siyang gawin na maging successful. So ayun, kaya yung kahirapan ng buhay, hindi ko siya ginawang dahilan para maging mahirap ang buhay talaga. Ginawa ko siyang puhunan.
Puhunan.
Yes, ginawa ko siyang puhunan kung paano ko magsa-succeed on anything that I do. Like, I started selling, then negosyo, and a lot of things that I've done. And one thing na pwede kong masabi, lahat yun 100%. Parang wala akong ginawa sa buhay ko na critical na hindi talaga 100%.